Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or BornHype coming at you guys with a brand new video. Hopefully this is all in focus this time because last video, I don't know what happened. It seemed like when I rendered it, it wasn't really completely in focus, but hopefully it looks good this time for you guys. So in this video, episode 17 of BornHype Cooks, we got the Kobe Grinches, we got the Holiday 11s, we got Supreme box logos, and the Supreme Swarovski Zippos. Now, obviously some of these clips are a little older, and I'm catching up with all of the stuff that I did miss. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure you guys check out all these sponsors. Links and discounts are in the description down below for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like if you did enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in the video. Peace. Processing on Kith. Nice. We hit the Kiths. Nice. Prism just hit another pair. But we got a failed on foot action and a checkout on Foot Locker. Nice. Nice. Just got a foot action checkout. Nice. That's another checkout. There we go. Another one on foot action. Okay, we carded another one on foot action. And we hit it, baby. Nice. S12. We hit another one on foot action. Maybe we can hit another on foot action. There we go. 6 on foot action alone. Nice. Finally starting to cart a good amount here. We're finally at double-digit confirmed checkouts. Most of the errors that we're going through, or that happened earlier, ended up being checkouts. I got emails for all of them, so we're definitely over 10 pairs now. There's another one on Prism. Nice. So overall for the Jordan 11 holidays, now this release went pretty well at the beginning, and then I started to get a bunch of PVs. I ended up getting a total of like 100 plus charges on the day, but I ended up only getting about 13 pairs in hand. It was kind of unfortunate, and I don't really know what happened with my profiles because for the bread release, I ended up getting about 20 pairs, mostly from foot sites, and I got a lot of checkouts with my virtual cards, but for some reason on the Holiday 11s, they decided to cancel slash PV a bunch of my virtual card orders, and basically none of them went through, except for maybe like one or two. So I don't really know exactly what happened with that. I'm gonna have to mess with my profiles a bit for foot sites. Going into the next like big release GR like that. But yeah, other than those PVs, Prism seemed to do very well as usual on foot sites, and it was just overall a decent release. Unfortunately, they're not doing as well as like the Bread 11s and some of the other Holiday 11s that have dropped in the past, but I do believe that these will go up a tiny bit, especially after the next stimulus check. If that happens, I do think these will touch probably around like 280, 290, maybe 300 in big sizes again. But for now, I have my pairs. They're currently at my boy's house. I had most of them go over there. Yeah, I'm just going to be sitting on them unless I end up getting some sales for around 280 to 300. Alright boys, it's Supreme time. In about 2 minutes here, we got the Cross Box Logo t-shirts releasing. Now, I'm not going for any of the other t-shirts as I'm pretty sure they'll end up bricking. And I'm also not going for the Chucky doll after what happened with the bear. I just think it'll end up bricking again, especially with what's going on with some Supreme items. Captions. Processing. Processing again. Nice, we hit one on Mac. Processing again. Processing on Prism as well. It just didn't work with the proxies. I was just kind of testing this week if my new Oculus DCs would work on Preem, because I know all my other DCs do not check out anymore, so I'm just gonna nice, we hit 4. Nice. There we go. 1 Zippo. Pretty sure this is also good for since all the cabs over here for foot sites. Nice, there we go. Another checkout. Now, next up was Supreme between the box logos and the Swarovski Zippos. Now, for the box logos, I ran MEK or MEK, whatever you want to call it, for the box logos, and I finally got my Supreme setup good and going again. I have been absolutely whiffing on Supreme for the past couple weeks. I did not hit the arcade machine. I did not hit the box logo hoodies, but the tees we did secure. We ended up getting 4 of the cross t-shirts, 1 black, 1 red, 1 natural, 1 white, and all of those are in hand now. So let me grab one and show you guys. So here are the cross box logos. This is the red one, and then this is the black one. Now, I do not like these at all, to be honest. I think it's kind of weird how they just took 2 box logos and made a cross out of them. You wouldn't ever catch me rocking one of these, but I'm not mad that I definitely got them, and they're hitting for like $100, so basically double my money. But it's kind of sad that it's come to this with box logos. Now, for the last week of Supreme for Fall Winter 2020, we did have the Swarovski Zippos dropping. Now, I ran Prism for this drop. It worked great. I only wanted like 1 or 2 of these Zippos for one of my friends. I didn't really want any for myself, but we ended up getting 2 in hand. So let me unbox these real quick and show you guys what they look like. Okay, now that we got all that junk off me, we got the Focus Swarovski Zippo. There we go. And then if I crack this open, it's just like any other normal Zippo container. But bang. I gotta like get this to focus somehow. There we go. This thing is actually very nice. Now, for that drop for the last week of Supreme, it went well. We ran Prism, got exactly what I wanted, and that was basically it. Alright guys, we got foot sites as well as Shoe Palace and sneakers dropping the Kobe's now. No way, I just hit one of these. What? We're carding these? Oh shoot. Okay. I'll take these. I was just looking in the Prism success and people were checking out other Kobe's and I ran and I hit W. But I still can't hit these Grinches. Okay, so I got a payment failure on this task. It might have gone through. We will see in a moment here. Ha, I did hit it. There's the order confirmation right there. Hey guys, it seems like this release is winding down. I'm not getting any more carts or payment fails or anything like that. Kind of seems like Q is done as well. Um, Everybody is just on out of stock retrying, so I'm gonna keep running the restocks. We'll see what happens, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, update. I'm gonna start recording again. Camera focus on me, please. But anyways, I'm gonna start recording again because I just hit 2 more pairs of the Grinches. But for some reason, my GS tasks are stuck on solving Data Dome when my men's tasks kind of vibing out. So, and I'm not getting any captures for these GS tasks. Man, I stopped recording again, and then I hit another one. I was literally recording for like 30 more minutes and didn't hit one, and the second I stop, I hit one. But that's 6 Kobe checkouts now on the day. Another one with loop ISPs. W. Okay, update. My camera died, but we're still running restocks. And I hit another one, so I'm just gonna keep updating you guys if I hit any more. So catch you guys then. So for the last drop of the video, we had the Kobe 5 Procho, the Grinches. Now, these released about a decade ago, and they re-released them, they restocked them, and I ended up hitting, this was actually the first Kobe that I've hit in a minute. I usually don't do the best on Kobe's, but I actually hit 5 pairs of the Grinches on Prism on foot sites, and 1 pair of the Big Show or Big Time. One of those, the like white and gold pair with all the cool pattern on like the inside part of the shoe. I forget what they're exactly called, so somebody let me know down in the comments. But I got 1 pair of those that shipped, and then 5 pairs of the Grinches that shipped. Now those should be here soon, so next episode I'll definitely get into the unboxing for that for you guys. But yeah, overall Prism went crazy. Loop ISPs did very, very well for me. I got those right before the release, and they did great. So I'm very happy with how that release went. I don't think it could have gone much better for me. But yeah, overall, it was a hard release for a lot of people, and I myself think I did pretty good. Thank you to Prism and Loop ISPs. They absolutely went crazy on that release, and I couldn't be happier with how it went. Now, overall, getting into some of the stuff I sold one of my Jordan 1 Midnight Navies to one of my friends, and then I have a massive pending deal that I will get into next episode and let you guys know what ends up happening with that. Uh, it's a lot of my shoes and a good amount of money, so hopefully that deal ends up going through, and then I will keep you guys updated with that. But overall, that is going to wrap up this episode of BornHype Cooks. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I know this was probably a little bit of a quicker episode with no unboxings and not many sales, but thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys check out all these sponsors. Links and discounts are in the description down below. You guys know the drill. Make sure you guys check out my Discord and Twitter. You guys can hop in there, talk to me. Those are where I am most active. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. It really means the world to me. Thank you guys for all the support, especially on the last video. I know I was gone for a little bit, and it really means a lot to me for you guys to still be here. And I love seeing the channel grow and everything else. So yeah, thank you guys so much for that. And it's been your boy Gavin or BornHype, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.